Hello there and thanks for joining me. I'm digital artist Aaron Rutten, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new 2018 Wacom Intuos. Alright, so it looks like I got the black medium version. Special thanks to Wacom for making this review possible. It's a beautiful looking tablet. It's very light and thin, just like they say, but it looks like it's built very well. And then inside the box, there is a USB cable, which is nearly 5 feet long. So pretty long USB cable, much longer than some of the previous generation Intuos models. Then we have the pen here. The pen feels fairly light. It's a lot more like a pencil. It's a bit thinner than the gigantic Wacom Pro pens that I'm used to. It has 2 buttons on it, standard nib, no eraser. And then there is the instruction manual. So on the tablet itself, we have 4 express keys. Then there's a power button to turn the Bluetooth on and off. This is a Bluetooth model. The medium has a Bluetooth, and then there's 2 options for the small, one with and one without Bluetooth. There's a little thing on top here where I can slide my pen in to hold it like that. Pretty decent active area on the tablet, which takes up 75% of the tablet surface. Nothing really to speak of on the back of the tablet except for these little rubber feet which will grip your desk. And there's a connection for the USB port right here. And on the other side there is a little security loop thing where you could hook a tether to it or something like that. Now as far as the nibs on this pen, those can be accessed by just twisting the bottom here to open it up. And on the inside you can see that there are a few replacement nibs. These are just standard nibs. The nib remover is on the underside of the pen. So you just kind of stick the nib in there like so, and then kind of put some pressure on it and then yank the nib out. There's also a handy pen tray, so you can just simply let your pen rest right there like that, and it's not gonna roll away. It'll stay right in this little groove here. The 2018 Wacom Intuos comes with bundled software. You can get Clip Studio Paint Pro, you can get Corel Painter Essentials 6, and you can get Corel Aftershot, which is a photo editing application. So you can do digital painting, photo editing, comics and manga, all kinds of stuff with this tablet. So that's my unboxing of the 2018 Wacom Intuos. I am going to be reviewing this tablet thoroughly in an upcoming video that'll be coming out very soon. If you're interested in checking that out, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, take a quick second to click the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.